My people, una good morning. Dem una share for me. Share the video. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Please help me to share just a quick one to this idiot. This Alalwe one of Sheshege. This Obewi one of the whole universe. This 419 when I share to her. And they wonder some people would all day now to lie like they sabi. The one way you fool your body, you never feel suffer. You go sit down, they judge another person. Before you they judge person, may you first judge yourself first. Because I see video where you do where they insult Charly Brown. I thank God say you talk and say you dey drive bike. Say na machine bike na you dey drive keke. Okada. Na you dey drive. We start to hear of Charly Brown. I thank God for that one. Where Charly Brown put his leg, till when you go by, you no go fit enter there. We tell you no. Ekele Charly Brown you wedge. Where to see ba? Oh no. Charly Brown gbe shentu. Obere no yige o. We mama we Charly Brown we do. It's a mission true. You know, see Charly Brown has for Benin. Where your own day. Tell the whole world. Where your house day for Benin. The one will take Peku's leak. Not be you forget the land. After the Jano, mother, you know buy. The woman be dashing the land before it comes out with the colo. They collect them for your hand. Okay. May you tell me, since how many months now where they collect that land for your hand? Wait till you don't achieve. Which land you don't buy again now, present now? Is they? No. You know, see your life. You see that 2016. Now you enter Europe. Fine. And the same time you with my son come. My son don't hold the paper for hand. He does the work. Every month he go receive. Waiting myself don't do for Billy. You never do a quarter of it. My son not they do shentro. In the work. Now monthly salary. Now they receive. Wait till they do for Billy. Not say you don't pass your own. Alalwe. You not see better way Charly Brown do for your papa. You not see him. Beria. Where Charly Brown do for your papa. You not see him. The one you say you do. When I bear what help you do. You know say as e be. Say okoko at the bulb. If a chicken or goat even buy, e even better pass your papa burial. You know see am. But now you go make man pass for social media. May you take shame mental. So about like you kevi go work with kevi. Oye kevi soon go de na woro wa. My boy fi ekun le lu wa. Ayo ma ne ko emu. So they talk, when they judge people, and everything full your body, you go come and when they judge people. You never talk about yourself, but you go they judge another person when you sit down their home. Wow, well, boy, track. Eh? You don't see birthday. What Charly Brown do for former people when they be carry can't give am. What they call if they do that birthday 2007 or 2008. I don't remember again. You know see birthday. Say the whole Europe, all of them go that birthday. You know see birthday when you do. You don't ever do that kind of one. When you invite a musician from Nigeria, Alaska, which and I play for that birthday. I got the video. When you circulate, follow the whole Europe. So shut up your mouth before you call the judge person. If any other person thought was Charly Brown, not be you. Not be you. See, I be our money where you chop. Okay, Bewa. Who you with your family open office for a head? Eh? You know you go consider when they judge people. No wabagmo. You dey post money we receive for video. Mo no mena mo my people. Mo no don mena. If make mo na tell her make you post the whole thing. Make you post am. If na true say na that one video na you see that money, make you post am with his name. Mo na know whether na you get am. I don't know why some people they lie. And then you post am with your name. If really say that money na only one video for see am, post am with your name. Carry the video come out, make them see am. You too they lie. You too they lie. If that money dey one video, maybe they give you a super chat. Let me that money reach like that. Not be saying on Facebook or YouTube pay that money for one video. Now lie they lie. How many view? 1,000 plus. 1,100. Not say to they lie. Now people will not the Facebook. Now you will feel they deceive. Not be people like us. Not be people like us who will they deceive. We know everything about Facebook. Why they lie? How many views they see for Facebook? How many? You don't ever do video when you hit 10,000 at once? No. You do video 1,001, say they pay 30-something thousand $. You do they lie. You do they lie. Oh. You do they lie. Man, no man now lie they lie. If that video carry that money, you know say they give am super chat for YouTube, or they give am star for Facebook. They go make am reach like that. Say no without star or without super chat, na lie. Na lie. Ogo igbo wa gbon oge igbo e. Oge igbo e. Lie. You when they sleep with married women, they will not let person hear what for social media. Who fear who? Man, no man now, na lie they lie. Na me they tell you now. Na lie they lie. Na like dey lie. Carry one video say 30 something euro. You can't lie. Now super chat they give am. If clearly say na him get that money for one video, they give am super chat. Or they give am star. The time when people, all my fans, they give me star for a year. And they get more than $60 for one video. Now start they put, not be me get, not be Facebook pay that money. You understand? So as I explain now. Sometimes $15. Not be Facebook pay am. Now start with they put. Na him. Wa gbe o go gbo e. Go gbo e tree trap down babe. Later I will come play your sister audio. My people, I will come around 4. And from 4, may I come play sister audio. No say I tell myself, I promise myself I will come out today. Come play the audio. You deal with me. You not concern me. You when they shame my grace in love like me. I go dey throw away for media. Any hand do ya boy they are here. Let me talk. Come and come dey shout for people. Your sister, they do adultery for Benin. My egbe why never fit buy am. When that person you know you come dey shoot your mouth put. Maybe say not be their family. Or it can wear. Or it can wear can win re. Then you are born la egbe. Wa gbe o. When I gbọ́n mi pọ́n ìwé mi lajà mi tó wá gùn ọ̀sù ọ̀nù màkàn òkóbó. See who come dey talk to Charly Brown when you never baff. When you get documents if e easy. Get if e easy. And the same time with my son come. Now 4 years they give my son now. 4 years. I deal with her now. No sure. Now me one contact to. I just say my level 2 pass here. Let me say by mouth. The time when I entered Europe, now Charly Brown, all of them received me. We did the same house for Verona. Not do our Togo now, we not go and go boy back. No mere we no go mere uru. Wa fi an. For when Charly Brown stand, you go stand for there. Give them the social media of 18. Better people they talk, you will see come upon they talk like human being. Dead among the living. Mama boy ya wife, you real money. Now so your mouth come bend. If they talk, carry me to make it wash your mouth. Go boy, cook boy. Where you go? Your mate go to talk, their mouth to go straight. Your own, you bend. If they talk, carry mirror, they look yourself. Go on, now we get Kevin, go on, boy, we get Kevin. Wa soon with them, Muruwa. It won't be. Now don't chop this woman for money for you. Don't buy the woman. This one, what they call this one with chop? What did they call this one? Say, now your name full. Here they call this one with chop. That was the same thing Charly Brown still do. That was the same thing. We go open and call the talk rubbish for social media. And the same thing Charly Brown still do. Maybe what's Charly Brown doing carry and go prison? The guy if he go prison today. My wife go feel who be your wife will feel better. Only when that one don't bath. We never feel feed himself, feed the children. Then go come they pay for him, come they pay for the house where he carry. Umuwe no nya egwan. That one don't feed the self finish. You can be by everyone koni. Where your daughter? Who they take off her? If you take off your daughter, nonsense. Now they deceive people for social media. You just sleep with married women. Charly OKPAMEN they sleep with married women. Hello, we are camera. But when we are camera. Woman wey with their house, na your wife. The woman don't born for her, as they talk. But how many years now you will deal with woman? Oh, sure, you don't feel give belly. I thank God say don't use your mouth talk and say na this is the right, the card and I the right for Benin before you come they talk to people anyhow for social media. We no have your card. May she rider. Now you go come upon the talk to people anyhow for social media. Because there's a more like one no fear. Since where you live, where this woman carry your house now, where do you feel do now? Where do you feel achieve? Can't tell the whole world. Carry another one come and say, see the land when I don't buy. This is where they carry their house. They say that make social media clap on for you. Nothing like that. Come the rake. Money where they pay me. They want video on your way. Video where no carry view. Just 1,100 view. And they pay you that money. Oh, okay, boy, if that video to carry money, you know, go pay $50. 50, what it be $50? 50 cents. If you to carry money, you know, go past 50 cents. Where you go there or top, where they go give you for that video. Where you call the line and say that they got 30-something euro. How do we talk here? That's why they lie. You're Sammy. No, me or my lord will back here. Wa bell. Gon boy. Okay, boy. Man, let her deceive you now. Now let they talk. Anything when I hear for a month, all na lie. If now one hear the truth, now come here. Now come look my video. I go to prove am wrong. With this. I go to prove am wrong. We go come upon the make noise. Boy la we gbe. E gbe no mama. We no love marry. Ona gbon we ko e we laja we to agbon. Asun ogun. Come on, God, they labor with me. Adulterous. All your family, they be adulterous for house. Sister, I'm born to be, cannot be husband, get them. You not call that one adulterous. You not call that one sharp for social media. When I come, oh, I never seen this kind of thing before. Oh, why man go marry? Another woman, man go to sleep with the woman. You can't get two belly. Two different belly. Not be one person. Not be the man get them. If one man move, you not get shit for that one. The people will sit down, you know, you can't talk, you know. Wow, bell. Prove me long if I lie, I talk. Ah, so good. Wait.
Who be that licky period where you pull to my for us when they say they call me for that side? You dey mad. You reach to call me for saga. You dey craze. Why we go on big girlfriend go on with you? You are both your anyway. Girlfriend, go and get a life. You will never get life in the compass way last you. Why we get undocumented immigrants? A big way. The compass way we pass you. We don't eat you a girl. Qui make a girlfriend away, near Kevin or no fucking for €5. As a shower no more, you why Kevin, what way from Vito. Oh, my boy, I tell my way, I tell my baby, you is Saga. Who is Saga? You went me him anyway. No, first of all, you want we are going to tell you one way. Oh, one boy from Vito. Well, my boy, I come up from Vito. We will look here, Jamuno. It is news. You are your shabby picture with background. Why are you shy? Wow, oh, where this thing? Larry, I'm not afraid from one boy to another massive. You don't know, woman, way do street work. You know, I can't believe you can be in a day. I feel broken. Calculate the lesson I tell me, Mama Kevin, they used to the house.
They even remove one of your hand before you enter house. Now you will come to talk to people with hand complete. 9/10. Now you get for hand. They don't remove one of your hand before Mama Kevin enter house.
So I shall not grant that more just in a 10 minutes. She they used to the also calculate it 10 days. 10 days in a month, except the day when she did all that administration. You don't know how many dollars don't enter that woman when you marry for us. You they mad. When I see me
no, your sister call her cargo second hand. Now your mama call her second hand. Say 3 pikin, 3 papa.
You don't know how many dollars we enter. Now we go to your man anybody to have me and wow, not big girlfriend. You are born that way. You me one tell you, mommy, again, not me and tell you. On a very record, your woman, wow, could it be okay? All the women are go color. You think I resemble. I don't know what it about this Favito. It's always like this. Anything we get to do with me, Favito must show face. What did they worry you? I'm not your regular Favito, eh? I am not your regular in any way. You don't very used to talk that day for this thing. I like you. But you don't look, you can't go there look at those smart. It was smart, you know, that boyfriend. Wow. You just say me they follow man like you. No, you don't belong to my class in any way, my dear. Favito, you do not belong in my class in any way. Me and you you to want go well.
When they try. Now see, we are you when you talk. Don't want go. If you put because fear go let you climb. And that's true. And when we figure now carry so. This second hand as your sister call her. 3 pikin, 3 papa. No be me talk and your sister talk. You see shame and disgrace when they enter your body every day. Wow, wicked.
The period no ya moko no so you wa ko any beer wa ko la we pe. You we saga me guy behave yourself o.
Oya mo e ko no mini pause you wa. Now you go come out when they talk to people with gallant. You know fear they talk about Charly Brown. Who be you? Who be you? When we come the judge Charly Brown, who be you? I will wear.
I'm not get personal issue with Charly Brown. I'm not going to talk about the private lives. Show me them. That's why I say it's this side pretty soon. Don't be say they're happy, say they're prison. But one side, I say they're happy. Yes. Stupid men, that's where they belongs to. Stupid men. Men we don't.
So they talk. For your men, now you just say you be better person now. Good morning, Kenneth. You don't be stupid, man. Oh, they take away your money now. How, Papa?
Men will not get respect for women.
Yeah.
Men will not get.
Good morning, Don Priest. Men will not get respect for women? What make you reason when they just chop your shit? You get respect for women? Charly Brown don't ever enter live video call insult women as you they do, huh? Charly Brown don't ever enter live video call describe women quakers as you they do, huh? Now see in life. Say it they chop his shit every day. What about what you saying? Worrying way. Walking out, walking out, boy.
Come for respect, regard
for
women. They deserve to date prison. Very important.
When I show say this one, the head is correct. So you know, say I say all the old women when you don't lie against, when you don't put lie for their head go push you. That prison go enter. When you can answer a work be. Then you have back with my old no matter what ever. We no matter why la don't win away. You don't have to know we be on la don't do tie.
Now, all those mama, all those mommy, all those daddy, bring me up. How many of them will give them? I'm address home now. When I put up for assassin, that's arrest. Not be like this, bro. Stockholm. Most of us will pass leave their account 2016, 2017. We ban pass all this old meat.
Now, yeah, 2016, 2017. Then you come and talk to people who don't stay for Europe for many years. Then you can be now soon done on soon with the Europa. Now, yeah, 2016. How many years now in Europe? Never forget documents. My son come that 2016, but he don't hold documents for hand. He dey work. Yeah? He know they do shentro. And so they chop my money, so they chop my money so. Oh wow.
Just imagine this one, Charly Brown.
This one.
Almighty Charly Brown, if their platform, all those women go pack the platform. You know this is my platform. To go wash and clean, responsible platform.
Ọkùnrin tí ọ̀rẹ́ mi àmì kó wá tó rà náà lùwẹ̀ o. You see the what they do for that? You see they call talk say you they do better thing for them. When they buy view, say they call people. View they buy, you know. Say they buy view. You know say they buy view.
When I saw my wife platform me, everyone they platform me and see when we man the bar. Where and they come because you know say
people when useless as you be, as you dey, let's say they follow you the waka. The responsible people, they not fit follow you waka. They not fit make go with you. Because you be idiot, you be evil. See what they come out for your mouth and every way they talk, all of the day your body. Why you be say what they your body? Then you call the thing they laugh on that person. Why? And everything in your body.
Okay. The one who they moderate the platform, he wear. He won't what? And they put the user on the chest now say, he won't what?
What boy?
Me what?
The one way. One more wear it. I know what.
Wait, banana. Me sort no so just now say, I think that my enemy enter kiri. You know they get the big pass. Before that, they will close the house and not give now. Wife here go pay.
Shut up your matty. Your own wife will go pay. That one don't feed himself finish. Best we not fit take off your pikin. The one we born for Nigeria, he about down now. You know fit take off. The one we even born for here, the girl where they now you both they take off. Come on, shut up your mouth, me lawa. You go fit take on now go they carry day for Caritas house. Huh? Now she go stay for Caritas house. Why she no rent us as we all rent us so? See my house, I know they carry it as house. I rent them. And they pay every month. I know
how many months you go fit pay. Why must I pay after I close the house? No, you guys go quiet about it. I personally feel like I want to give you for you. You understand? You know the reason why? Because I position my life where? I position my life.
So Emma gone me go when la tell you to go where buwe nana. So now you they do this kind of video.
Where for here where I did so because my joke boy man. They cannot make a joke boy. Now hear me they leave.
Yeah.
Position where for here.
Yeah.
You just expect to say I come and ball like for that. Exactly. See, I get a robot for this country, guy man like me, guy like me for this. For that same robot so. Alpha, Umenwan will give an house arrest. They will use their house, put me for house then. No whatever. They know what you do. Show them your livelihood for you.
Man, no man,
I'm
no
going to use my
more.
brain. They do the livelihood, quality myself, the normal level. You understand? You know the reason why? Because I get sex. Imam on the motor.
So say get sense. You get sense, you take 3 flat lick bekus. If you not can get sense, you come. What if for do? You get sense. You take 4,000 plus in lick bekus. You get sense, you take 2,000 something lick bekus. If you not can get bekus, if you not can get sense, you come. What if for talk? Okobo ariema no yowie egbe. Ozuo. Papa mumu alaluwe wan no sheshe ge. La wan ge kwe amo. You see they call yourself a man now. O be kegbo ye pe a. Dead and more the living.
But I didn't knock to those sweets. No man will chop us. With the chop us, with the chop to. No one level what? How are you? How are you against the so where they
Shut up your mouth. You not get bola to bear. Now this one you get. All the old women say this one you get. How many women don't talk? When you sleep, when they don't talk and say, now tongue, you take the liquor. Say you not get the thing.
Don't worry, I will admit. But that will not make you become stupid at the same time. That will make you to respect that woman that are there for you in terms of good and bad. The reason why they say, mamas for abroad, they don't follow it that way. You say those women, all those women are not that stupid. They get sense.
Because see what they come out for your mouth now. And all this thing when they come out for you, all of the day body. Charly Brown better pass 100%.
So men when they don't take it. They will see their baby mama. They never give them one as many muscle. I even near 20 euro train station. Near the billet. But if that will buy tickets for baby mama to flight, come see and put them here. I bet when I clap on 7 or 2 months, what they solve. I mean, I must say, who get who? No, be true. If that if I brought to ban, you have to wait. How can you imagine? When the case when I know Charly Brown, never lie. You know when I don't know Charly Brown? I never had that job. You expect me to be a prisoner?
No more lag mon phone no giarwa. No more lag mon phone no giarwa. You know where your own go end tomorrow. We no berang. You know where you will go end yourself tomorrow.
This guy don't reach 2013 Nigeria in Nigeria in a ball in a whip make you back.
Say na back in the right for Nigeria. This idiot. Oh, pay me what? Happy New Month. See who they talk. Back rider. They will come to talk to people anyhow. Back rider. Beg one on go. 2013, see the right back for Nigeria. Now you go come to talk to people anyhow. That back way they talk. What did they can do for Nigeria? Tell us before you enter Europe. You not go prison for Nigeria. Not be prison you for run. Not be prison you for run. You jump bail now. Charly Brown not jump bail. Not be the land where your mama get. Only one land where they say your mama get. Now you not make you bury your mama for that land. You go sell her. We go to your mama for dustbin. Allah will not lie. Not be the land where your mama gets. Not be you say, wait till enter road. Not be you say, wait till enter road. Eh? Because you want to sell the land, you not come bury your mama for that land. Already, the papa not let you bury your mama for your house. Because not be your mama born first speaking for her. Your mama destroy your papa house before your mama buy. Sote igwe kewu ona inyo tu no dio yo viera no jonia tere junior uno la o ko e ko ne ri we no ya binye oge no ala lui la la eh so if you dey talk you fit look yourself before you come dey talk to another person ala lui because this one we just dey talk me I no understand you. Everything where they talk, all of the day your body. You're not a prisoner. They find you for a Edo State. I mean, you don't know. Not be you want go make you hide for Lagos. They find you for Edo State. You will run for prison. What fear?
Now you go scatter belly and then back and front. And then all this one, no, they believe money. Yeah, you feel it, don't call it cool. Yeah, I did that, you know, that. I want to tell you. A rope wapa, check my vocation here. I go here at daddy.
Tell me, enter my word, go say my number for there. My number there, my word there. Yeah?
Money, I will go. I see my wiggle. I will this man does not work. Yeah, we now. It will have money. I have the general. Now when they back them all, go clean them up. I say you clean Polian, Karawati got Karawai. Karawati got I will actually be. Give you a boss where you can put a back and you have boss 5,000 euro and you have boss you always 10.
Now, yeah, and because of that, when I want to be conscious through for Europe, when I do Agbabe wash it through. You see your life, and you will consider what could they judge people. When you are born and loud, now there you get it wrong.
1,000 euro, I have boss here. Epa Eddie boy, I had the demand. I mama Hariku, I have plenty of people like Hariku. I we go near no ya
you there, you are Irish. Okay, boo and not time and not say. You there. You are Irish.
Now this story you happen. This is Italian.
Oh,
this time I sit there being the drive back and I say, Rigo. I say, shadow, my shadow, my shadow, my Billy shadow, my shadow again. But before you being you was very good. When I pack it, you understand? I can never lucky, I could never walk lucky, or don't want to go out to put in Nigeria. We say that, but God has said, most of those guys not escaping the vocation of again. That yeah, no, yeah, mama, the mama, the care away. I'm like, no, if I don't go. I said, yeah, baby. What understand? This same man frustrates many of our women abroad. Ah, me have to say, the Charly plan to open up near attack.
How well so no where do person never die for Charly Brown handle. But woman don't die for your neck now. You see your life. So who should upon worse pass you? O come who you be Charly Brown. But who you were no who you were born. But me get no way.
We no matter you never. Na yarioka, you got the phone cofra. You have to do me. Police know the boss. They call it bad person. They call it confirmed person. They ban person for abroad. What did this man not do? Bad atrocity. How did that people not do? They might back here. Especially this squad of them.
Shut up. Now you be the number one. You are number one. Because you said you see money where you chop the woman. Can't tell us. Not the judge person. They judge your own. Because it fool your body. Uno gboko. Uno gbekola. Uno bossy.
Many don't be certain Nigeria. Don't fit that already. Many be certain Nigeria. That's why I say for Spain that year. I don't know where you are hotel in Nigeria. You have back here bona.
Okay.
You have here bona one. Ne bona get stay. You have finish avec moi. Where are we to vampire now? Oh, but we know over the year 50 years ago bona.
Because of 50 euro, now the liquid man quickos. On yera, over is it back, quick, by 50 euro. Hey, I want quick do a banana. Hey, alalue. So if 50 euro, no one move way here.
Oh, so. Oh, so well, who did I do? Umenwan, or you're not going 50 card.
Na 50 euro, then the liquid woman because. Hey, mock my honor. 50 euro. Now the liquid man because I want the verse and back tomorrow. Wanna listen. 50 euro, now the liquid man because. So when alalue 50 euro we yala ni yawe ye do me akara go paso
o go ye 50 euro we bona da o no bu ese ma pe we ze pa pick up and go bara ese what usi e ko fun o ga so we o ni ga to umenwa gbemo menwa o go bo dane o yoro kan bo 50 card we salute we are here back. All of the container we are frustrated women.
Na yera na 50 euro te de liku ma pe kuso. 50 euro o ya pupo we. Hai.
Abi kuna na kana ya mwa ya. Iya ma yi wade. All the
JKV, Juliet no be agbon time. Do wo pe no mu yo wa. 50 euro we ya popo he. Hey. Bigini. Ona mo me ne wunu. We na wala lo ma me ni wala jam de do pe ma we. De ge e permit me.
Me no mi akoya me ya Nigeria yo le ko de ko. De si de ye ke le ko mo ya no mo yo. E mo ya igba o. Be we bu. Charly Brown. O se de Charly Brown o se squad o do.
Ko suna arriba.
On no waye boya lo ko o wa re ko. O gbe na ki re ko mi fa abroad here. In your mind, I think, come on. If you told them, they'll come beat you for good work. They say our women.
A lie.
Yeah, let's go to him.
That one a pure lie. That one a pure lie. If I not talk, if I want Charly Brown, I cannot talk boy. If I know where I cannot talk boy.
Many of the difference. You have like France. So people you have like France. Italy money be you have busy like France. You have go in France. You have got to be France. No, you have married France. No, you have married France. You get that be. Go check those guys' life. You have nearly who they want. They care. I see the care. I see the reality. You have him on me. What you have to people because we are illegal. They are reaping what they sow. Some of the causes
Hey, Agbebo, good morning, dear. Now, Prince. Alal we send 50 euro into the league woman pay kuso. Happy new month, my darling. 50 euro. Oh, we alal we hope. Oh, is a quick. Okay, can I have a we fear you way? Okay, ikba. Oh, we need 50 euro.
With the tears of pain,
Eh, Naima.
they don't confess. They will confess. Now, when they come in there, and they look there, they come in there, they call the Zoom media, they even call the fact themselves for social media, they call the food themselves for social media, all two fools.
50 euro, we are not the way.
The two of these animals, no matter what, I was just watching them. I'm not supporting you. I'm not supporting you. We need criminal. In another million dollar brag. You're bragging on TikTok.
My people. Now don't hear her. See na 50 euro till they lick me kusu. Let me talking. Ala the way 50 euro, ala the way. And we is a pepe who here do aba. And we is a pepe who here do aba. Now we pepe back here.
Finish with my well, I went to the vampire now. Oh, but we know over the year 50 euro. That's why I say for Spain that year. Epa no matter when you nyaba na yari oga they call the phone kofra you know do adu meeting obu police no boss they call the person they call the confirm person or the ban person for abroad what does this mean not to bad atrocity how does that be people no good they man back here especially from this squad alone men don't be certain Nigeria don't fit that already men be certain Nigeria that's why I say for Spain that year I don't know ya ke hotel in Nigeria in a back here now in a real one hour, never gonna get us the in a finish with my well, I went to the vampire now, but we know over the year 50 euro. Where's it? Pick up, and go a bar, a conform or a so. Oh, so well, who never do Umenwan, we'll go down there. Or you're not going to cut. And another. Where's Salo? We are half back. Lost I would all of the cotton.
Now don't receive the reason where they lick pekus. When I don't see him. Yeah, we la lock here one don't hear and say 50 card 90 the liquid macbekus 50 card
licking of plates, licking of pekus, anything one column, licking of plates or licking of pekus. Somebody go say, what you licking of plates? If you not be guy man, they go ask, what you be not licking of plates? But if you be guy man, those who say be guy man, they know what I mean by licking of plates or to break and down, licking of pekus. But I want to let you know, say most of the cause of certain deaths by men, certain death by men, now licking of pekus. Listen to information because when I bring and come to you, I know if you get something one, I say yes, it's important for you to hear. I keep it to myself. But when you do too bad, and when you hear, I keep it to yourself because it's not what you concern life and death. I let you know today. Say if you be man, if you be woman, share this video. Make it if your brothers or your relative who be men know about them. If you be man, share it to all your fellow men. May know about them. The latest research where are they come from you now for Canada? Mr. Spade, I've been in Canada for about 3 months. 2 weeks to go to 1 month now on my research store. The latest update now, research say that leaking of PECUS, they cause chlamydia. And if you get your phone now, go chlamydia. Chlamydia is an infection where we say you don't get symptoms. The moment you don't find out anything about it, you don't go even take it up by. See, there are so many things we pass HIV, pass other sicknesses, we people they fear. People don't even know say yes, it finish human being. But we say in the destroy men, mostly pass women. Chlamydia, leaking of PECUS. Now listen, if a man would like to leak a woman PECUS, so men like to do them for fun. Look, we say they really arouse the woman, arouse her sexual urge to get her to cloud 9. Make the woman love them well. My brother, listen and listen well because I want to repeat myself again. Most somebody repeat to emphasize. Some people go say, go to the point. My brother, leave them. Listen and make people really know about them so that if you make such a mistake, don't say yes, then you call yourself by yourself. Now listen, if you really want to kill woman, because tell that woman to run a test of chlamydia